Saturday morning at Talberts. I just saw a nice trout just swim along too. Let's get this. We're out there. Fast troll. It's fairly snaggy place. It's so beautiful here. Got a new reel as well. See how she performs. New line, 6 pound Shimano mono line. Nice and clear. Just there. Just there. Oh, see if he hits it. No, not interested. No, not interested in the lure at all. Fish just there. Just ignored that lure. Oh, I'll get a cast in here. I was probably spooked 2 fish so far. Very spooky this morning. Doesn't help when the water was really still, but another fish just there. They've looked at my lure, but they're not really interested in what I have. I've got a grand pumpkin on. They're just looking at it. They just seem not very interested in what I've got. It's just sitting right there. Nice fish. Looks like a nice brown. It's definitely looking for something to eat, but it's just not what I'm after. It's just there, right in front of me. I'm trying not to move. No. Not interested at all. I've used the green pumpkin and had no luck, so I'm going to check with some other colours, because I've seen 4 or 5 fish that are simply not interested in the green pumpkin. So see if black and cold sort of gets them a bit more excited. Oh, got one. Nice fish. Jumped like 500 times. Nice fish. Ripper fish. Just here. Oh! Oh man. Great fish. Alright, just need to... Alrighty. Oh, oh, come here, bud. Ripper fish. Oh, fought really well, jumped a fair few times. Oh, crazy fish. Let's get back here. Come on. Got him. Nice. Alright, my first Talbot Lagoon trout in the new season, and fought really well, this little female brown. I'll get him out and show you first what she looks like. So about 1.5 pounds. Look at that. Beautiful female brown, fought super well. Let's get him back in the water. Beautiful fish. Let's get her back in. Oh. There she goes. Before I could turn the camera on, she jumped like 4 or 5 times, and then I finally got the camera rolling, and yeah, she still had a bit of fight. She swam off pretty strongly, so feisty little brown to start the day. I'm stoked. Yoo! Big 5-pound trout just came swimming past. Oh no, I think I spooked him. Just the one so far, guys. Saw about 5 or 6 trout just swimming along. I've dropped the lure right in front of them, no interest at all, so they're definitely looking for something else to eat. I'll keep running the black and gold until, you know, I don't catch anything for the next hour or so. One on the board, which is great. Love one more and they'll probably rope me up, but yeah, the fish are hit and miss. They're definitely not as on as they used to be. Probably this time of year they're probably, I don't know, looking for worms and grubs and mud eyes or something else. So but should be right. We'll keep trucking along, see if we get one more fish. Oh, he's eating it, he's eating it, he's got it, he's got it. Oh, nice fish, nice fish. Oh, if we get in, got me tripped on the log. Oh, he's gone under the log here, I think. Where is he? Oh, nice fish. This is my second fish, guys. I saw 2 swimming along and I've just cast it over. Just gotta get him in, just gotta get him in. Oh, come on, bud, come on. Oh, didn't like it. Didn't like it, didn't like it. Come on. Come on, buddy. Whew. Oh, solid fish. Oh, she's in. Woo! Solid fish. Guys. I was about to pack up. I saw 2 fish swimming by. I just popped it over. Oh man. What a solid fish. give it away, guys. This is definitely my fish of the day. 3 pounds. Woo! Alright guys, check out this fish. 3 pounds. Beautiful ripper fish. Oh man. Let's get her in the water, that's awesome. Woo! Alright guys, let's get her back in the water. It's beautiful. Talberts Lagoon fish. This is Valentine's Peak. I climbed that a few years ago. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Well, there you have it guys, couple of nice fish on the board. The first one was 1.5 pounds and the last one was a 3 pound female brown. So it was good to get those two on the board. I did see a lot of big fish, male buck browns, but they weren't really eating the lures or interested in what I had to offer. So yeah, the female browns were on, but the male buck browns didn't want to eat anything I had. So anyway, I'm still stoked. Couple of fish into today's mission. Beautiful day, sun's out. It's about 11:30, so morning session. So I'm gonna move and quit while I'm ahead. You can always drag these days out and catch nothing for the rest of the day. So I'm stoked to get those two, and I'm happy to just enjoy the rest of the day, just chillaxing. So hope you enjoyed this one guys. Like, share and subscribe. Got some more missions coming your way. Stay tuned. Cheers.